Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So today I'm back with a new video on how I sleek my ponytail and lay my baby hairs. My hair is currently relaxed, however, if my hair wasn't relaxed, this is the comb that I would use, as it will comb all your curls out nicely. So one of the first steps that I do is I comb my hair into place, ready for the gel, just so that I know where I want my ponytail, how high I want it. So I go in with my gel and I spread it out evenly into the palm of my hand so that we've got that smooth sort of finish. Once I've gelled my hair into place, I then go with my styling wax. So the next thing I do is I just brush everything into place, ready for it to be held. This is the hair bubbles that I use. These are the thick ones from my local beauty store. You can probably find these on Amazon. I preferred these as they just hold your hair only so well. Guys, this is like the most important part of your pony, so make sure there's no bumps, no nothing. Like seriously, check from the side profile as well if you can see any bumps at the front of your hair, the back of your hair. Just brush everything out, and if you need to, go in with some more styling wax. Step is doing my baby hairs, and as you can see, out a low hairline. Make sure you know your hairline as well so that you know where to put your baby hairs. I just place the styling wax where it needs to go, and then I just start swooping and just do my thing. I go with my styling wax on the sides where there's no baby hairs, and I just brush it up with the toothbrush. And this really lifts your ponytail, as you can see, like, just look at that. So once I've brushed everything out, I just do the baby hairs near my ears. I go in with this hair bubble just to hold my bun in place for the ponytail that I'm about to put on. Next step is really important, as it will just lay everything down so nicely, and I'd preferably use a satin one. This one was from Fashion Nova. So I let this sit for about 5 minutes, and I just prepare my ponytail in that time, brushing it out. What I would also do is I'd normally straighten the ponytail out with an iron. Yep, you heard that. Just to get everything smooth and nice for a sleek ponytail as well. Guys, look at that. Wow. Ponytail has grips on, which I place at the top, and I adjust it so that it's right for me. And then I go in at the back and I put the grips into the back of my hair. The next thing I do is I use the drawstring and I adjust it how I want it, which is quite tight. So I wrap it around my ponytail just so that it stays in place and it's not showing. Take some hair from that end and I wrap this around my ponytail to give it the natural look. Then wrap it around my hair, as you can see, making sure I brush it each step of the way just to give that sleek finish. I then grip it in place, making sure to do it at the back so that it's not showing. The last step I do is I just brush the ponytail out. I'll see you when I've got my makeup on. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.